Good. How are we going so far this year? We winning a few? Yeah? Yeah? Who's our main goal scorer?
Me.
You, Isaac? Ah, okay, fair enough, yeah. Yeah, who's our best goalkeeper?
Peter.
Peter? Yeah, good stuff. Doing well, eh? Good stuff. Okay, so who's your favourite soccer player? Who? Janovic? Who? Ronaldo? Messi, yeah. Ronaldo as well. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, we're going to go on a win today?
Yeah.